Hi, my name is Shanda and I'm going to teach you guys how to do a basic slip knot. This video will be the first of a multi-part series titled Shanda's Crochet 101, where I plan to teach beginner crocheters how to crochet. And here it is, a slip knot, the most basic step to crocheting. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. You're going to take your yarn of choice and you're going to lace it over your fingers. You're going to place the tail of the yarn facing away from you over your hand. You're going to take the tail, you're going to loop it over your finger to form an X, like so. Then go under that first line, grab the second line, and pull it through. There you go. You have a slip knot. Great job. And remember, if you want to get rid of it, just pull both ends and ta-da! There it goes. It's all gone. Great job, guys.